Edge Express Car Wash is an express tunnel car wash business based in Charlotte, North Carolina, growing throughout the Southeast with new locations in Virginia, Maryland, and South Carolina. We started looking at the car wash space probably 7, 8, 9 years ago. John and I were both tired of our previous careers and we're looking for a change. We looked at several operating companies to purchase and landed in the car wash space.
You know, the car wash space is there's never a dull moment, to say the least, right?
So interesting, first found out about Sonny's when we started digging around in the industry. And we met with one of the Sonny's reps multiple times. And that just led to a relationship that turned into a friendship and led us to use Sonny's out of the gate on our first out of the ground site in Charlotte.
The car wash that we purchased, the acquisition was using a competitor's control system. And, you know, Luke and I decided, you know, going forward, knowing that we would have multiple washes over time, that we wanted to have the same system on all washes. Physical installation was about 2 full days, I think. Very seamless, in and out. Car wash services folks were in on a Tuesday morning and we're done by Wednesday night. The wash club members from the old competitor to the Sonny system, that took some time, but I will say, to Sonny's credit, we had a dedicated team to help us through that transaction, who have worked with us several weeks in advance, getting that data over.
It was nice. I would say it was a smooth transition, relatively speaking, because of that dedicated team that we had. And, it was huge for us. All the nuances that we deal with on a day-to-day basis from operations perspective, they didn't see anything. So
Right.
They came in, new wash to them, new pay stations, LPR. It was exciting, and that's what you want for your customers. They're family. They're monthly membership holders. Sonny's was extremely proactive. We had a plan in place before the transition.
Yeah.
And they were very clear in what that plan was. They allowed input from us on what we wanted, our expectations, how the transition would work. Preparation was obviously there, and it showed up in the transition and how smoothly everything went.
The ease of use, right? If I want to go in the back office and create a happy hour special for a half off top wash, I can do that in 3 or 4 seconds. When with the older system that we use, or competitor, we'd have to call their tech support. Hey, we want this coupon, we want this marketing. Can you do this? And they would do that in next day or two.
We can go in and take all this data seamlessly, very easily. You don't have to be tech-minded to be able to do it.
Even Luke can do it.
Even I can do it. So getting this data, using it strategically to get more customers, provide better service to our customers. It really was beautiful.
Having a finance background, I love analyzing data, and the back office allows us to look at things like, how have our monthly trends gone regarding particular washes sold, average ticket price,
membership.
Yeah, membership trends.
Are we going up? Are we going down?
Yes, exactly.
Weather. We can track. It just enables us to track so many, just a variety of data points that we collect to be able to run the wash better. We extrapolate that back office data and compare and contrast and just drive the business.
The fact that we can get all this data on our iPhone is super easy, right?
Oh, yeah.
I can log in right now and see how many cars we washed today, for example. I can look at our labor hours today. I can look to see what our top line last month was. So the fact that we can do everything on the phone is super easy, super convenient.
We wanted to be a one-stop shop for Sonny's, the Sonny solution on all our sites.
Mhm.